chopping in the background. Man, we are on our way to go put these shocks and springs on the budget box here at Betty. I'll see if I can get some POV footage while we're riding. She's chopping, she's sounding pretty good, running pretty good. And I got 2 more knuckles that hopefully I can twist in the front. Which should be good for now. I mean, again, you know, no QA1s, no, what's the other one? Man, there's another one. You know, none of that. I mean, but if they want to sponsor and send me some over, I will take them. I will take them. We riding, y'all, but I ain't gonna do a whole bunch of, I guess, recording POV-wise while we riding. We'll start recording once we get there. This will be the first time that we'll have Betty up on a lift, so we're gonna find out what's really going down underneath here. I can tell you now that we had the seat bracket from the moisture and the water leaking in the windshield broke. So I had to make me another seat bracket for the driver's seat. Passenger seat's fine. And while taking the seat in and out, I noticed some crunching underneath the carpet. Not what I wanted to hear at all. So, but for the most part, man, we'll just mainly get back when we get it on the lift, to get it backed up in there, get it on the lift, see what she's looking like, see if we can get these air shocks put on, pull springs put on. I mean, we out in the BoxChevy, Junkyard motor, car been sitting for 16 years. Motor, we don't know how many miles is on it. We know it was crystal clean though. We know it was crystal clean when we pulled it out. We've got that Truck Plus Richard Holder cam. I don't know how much of this y'all can see, but we got some water. We're crossing a bridge. We got some water. Y'all heard that scuff too, right? It's only on the driver's side. And there's a little piece of the fender trim that's almost toward the tire. So I'm thinking that's what it is. Other than that, it don't rub in the back. A lot of what we got in the rubbing wise is in the front. I'm just out putting miles on this thing, man. Verifying that we got a decent drivetrain. You know what I'm saying? Verifying that we got a decent drivetrain. That's all I'm looking for. Good drivetrain. No hiccups, no problems. Problems that I feel like that we're running into, it's got more to do with the car because of how long it's sat. And I didn't know I was going to run into that at all. Should have known, but didn't. But it is what it is, man. We're gonna make it do what it do, man. I mean, it's not like we don't went and put a, you know, going to go get a big paint job and they say, oh man, this car was this, that. I said, man, we plan on getting it painted one day, but we just want to verify that we got us a good running drivetrain. Y'all hear that? Yeah. We'll get back with y'all when we get to the spot, get this thing on the lift, see what it looks like from underneath. Going up, y'all. First time this bad boy on the lift. We don't know what we're going to see. I can see a leak. Brake line. Yep, it's brake fluid. Front seal. Leaking.
So you put a new one in?
This is gonna do everything, but heat this up. Yeah, 4 LADE, 6.0, 20 over, straight from the junkyard. Front seal's leaking, so I got a new front seal, and that ain't too bad. That ain't too hard to change. Take the belt off, get the puller, you can pull it. Yeah, nah, ain't too bad. All right, y'all, we got a brake line leaking. We got a brake line leaking, and I got a front seal leaking right here. So this pulley's got to come back off, and then I'm gonna put a new seal in this. I'm not even gonna pull the whole cover. I'm gonna just pop a new seal in it, and then see what she does. And then that's it. I got them twist ends in the wrong spot. These two are right beside each other. But it 3-inch, all this. Yeah, I just ordered it off eBay and made it work. That exhaust.
Yeah.
All right. I know the 2 bolts up top are 13 of the budget box. I call it the budget box because we got budget parts on here. As you can see, we're not putting no QA1s. We're not putting none of that. I don't even know what these springs come from.
Boy.
Got a lot of pressure on that rear end. Open here. 270 SKUs, something. That's right in the part. Open that up on the top. Right. Good shot. No good.
Still got pressure on it.
Well, shit. Right now, yeah. Right now, it's up against the wheels, up against the body. It can't go no more.
Oh.
That's why.
You mean letting it down?
Yeah. See, so big.
Oh, it's hitting there.
Yeah.
Ooh. How about getting these springs out there still stout? I had to pull the wheels off of it.
All right.
Time you let it run down, they just come right out.
Well, I thought this spring was a lot weaker than, you know what I mean? I was thinking that there wasn't much life to them.
They ain't weak.
Huh?
They ain't weak. Stand back, so I can shoot that. Probably a good idea.
There we go. That's the exact same spring, isn't it?
Exact same spring.
Oh, this is a little thicker.
It's a little heavier.
Yeah. That's what I want. A little heavier.
Getting them in there is going to be fine.
You got to come along, right?
See why you can't hear me now? You see them little wheels? 26s.
Itty bitty.
Oh, man.
They fit on there pretty good, too. All right, man, that's all the world of difference now. You can get right to it.
Yeah.
You know how many times I've fought around all that
So
stuff?
we need a 13
And a 13.
mad home.
You can test on this some exhaust on this bad boy right here. Believe it or not, I got some exhaust in the trunk. Man, it's...
Love you, Papa. Love you, buddy.
Yeah, it's wire wheel. I think will take care of a lot of this.
You may have to reach out. I can't hardly turn that wrist.
Still
We
cool.
can move this right here. May have to get that big wheel back. Gonna do that one first.
Let's see if it even fits. Oh, it's not going on. I might have to have an actual 13.
You got 13?
Yeah.
Or half?
This is metric. That might fit, but it won't. This won't.
Hey, I'll get you 13. I didn't know it was. I was thinking it was, old car was still, I guess you're right.
88. I can't remember when they changed. Where is it? When I'm driving, I can hear it going.
I bet you it's that frame rubbing that thing there.
So it's saying it looks like that the rear end is sitting more over this way. I got some spacers, but I didn't realize it was rubber. But it ain't doing it over here, or is it?
No.
Very little.
Very little, yeah.
All right, come on now.
See, just listen to it now.
Alright, looks like we're gonna have to hit this dude with the wire wheel for real. Do away with them upper control arms, get some new upper control arms, get some new lower control arms when we get a different rear end, because this is just a 7.5. And I probably, I wouldn't worry about it if I can find a set of gears. Remember we had to replace this line here. It's a little long, but she's working. And looks like we're going to have to replace some more of the line. Cut out all this old fuel line stuff. We got a little rub. A little bit of rubbing right here. I don't like that. I got a spacer I can put on here, but then my studs won't be long enough. And we got a little bit there. So, and we got a lot. I mean, if you see, look at that. Look at that. Uh-oh. There's the rub. There's the rub. Found it. Found it. We'll fix all this. I thought it was right here because all this is bent up. Nope. It's right there. Right there. Let's see. And right here. Right there. Right there. So we get any, got any over here? Yep. Right here. Right there. Well, we'll do the do, man. Alright, y'all, man. The air shocks, they're brand new, but I didn't have the bottom mounting hardware, so another 30-minute drive to another store, and then another 30-minute drive back to where the car is. And I hope that these fit, because all I did was just grab them. Alright, y'all see, we now have shocks and springs in the rear. I don't know what those springs come off from, but look how high she's sitting. And that's with no air in the shocks. But we can make that change. Now I can put the speaker box back in there, and it'll set it back down. So it's gonna work. It's gonna work. Still gotta do something up front, but we got that taken care of. We had a brake line. Remember I was saying something about brakes? We did have a busted brake line. Got that taken care of. So we got air shocks, we got springs. Well, new shocks and springs in the rear. Now we need springs and shocks in the front. One little bit at a time, y'all. A little bit at a time. scrub, but it's a little. The ride is a lot stiffer, and I don't know what's going on with it, but I know I'm gonna put that speaker box back in the trunk, and then you know what I'm saying, so we can get that squat back going down. Now, I don't want it. I want to squat to where so it's not the potential for rubbing. Because before we had a potential, we were rubbing. Shocks were shot, springs were shot. Now we got air shocks and springs. Here's the kicker: I have no air in my shocks, and we still sitting in the air. So go figure. We'll get it. We'll figure it out. Alright, man, we ain't scrubbing no more at all. But I also feel like we sitting taller than I want to. One thing for sure, like, I'm sitting way too tall inside here. She adjusted the seat for her and I can't get it to move for me. Oh well. But yeah, she riding though. She riding now. I'm thinking about Intellitronics for a dash maybe. Or just like getting some gauges and building my own dash. You know what I mean? I mean, I can do that too. Get some gauges, build my own dash. All I need to do is work for an LS. Works for an LS. That's it. Temp, battery, oil, and engine light, tack. And a tack ain't a must. Speedo, you can do GPS with that. I've been looking at some, so you know, I might go that route. I might just go that route. We'll see. We'll take a look at it once I get to the house. See what y'all think about it. Then we'll drop the speaker box back in it. Put the speaker box back in the back. Put it back in there, and that should give me a decent little squat with the speaker box in there. And with that type of squat, I still should have no rub. No scrub and no rub. Because these springs I got on here, I don't know what they come out of, but they heavy duty. Heavy duty. I don't got to worry about, you know what I'm saying? Heavy duty. Alright, we'll see y'all in a minute.